Hello and welcome to Cornish Walking Trails. Today we've come to Durgan. Our walk today comes from Classic Walks Cornwall 2. It's walk number 19, Durgan and Porthnavas Creek. Durgan is on the Helford River on the south coast of Cornwall. Parked in a lovely spot today, Bosveal car park, on the road down to Durgan.
So this is a National Trust car park here at Bosveal. It's free for National Trust members or £2 all day. Nice sized car park as well. Plenty of spaces.
This is welcome to Bosveal. Leading out to Falmouth Bay, the Helford River is a place of shelter, varied views and grand houses, where fishing and farming shape the landscape. It has evolved as a backdrop for leisure and a rich habitat for wildlife. Wooded valleys, secluded beaches and coastal footpaths give vantage points for far-reaching views upriver and out to sea.
We're going to do a circular walk across fields following the Helford River back to Durgan. Gosh, I'm being dragged along by the dogs. First walking instruction is return to the main road and turn left, walking uphill. This gorgeous little Cornish farmhouse has the most spectacular view of the Helford River. So tranquil. Part of the walk does take us along the Helford Creek, so I'm hoping this is going to be the most relaxing walk. After a tough week in the office, I'm really looking forward to it. At the crossroads, walk ahead on the no through road sign to Higher Penpol. So this little country lane, Andrew, look at these hedges.
They're really tall, aren't they?
How tall do you think these are?
Well, I'm 6'5", so you're taller than me. So what are you laughing at?
6'5".
Nah, they're probably about, I don't know,
About
10
8, 10 foot. Amazing, and they've got such a variety of foliage in them. Gosh, I don't even know where to start. I think there might be a bit of gate leaning in this video.
Gotta have a bit of gate leaning in a video. Is that your gate leaning pose?
Yeah.
Very good.
Come on, got work to do. Come on, boys. Footpath sign on the right.
Ignore it. So ignore this public footpath sign and carry on up the lane.
Immediately after a large house on the left, Barn Croft, take a track on the left and pass through a metal gate. This looks interesting. It's taller than me!
It's like walking through the jungle.
Oh, this is nice, isn't it? I love the way that the wheat just shimmers in the wind, gently flowing back and forth, isn't it? Oh, beautiful.
It's like watching the waves coming in, isn't it?
Do you feel relaxed?
I do, I feel really relaxed.
It's a very relaxing walk so far, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. What variety of potatoes do you think these are then?
Wheaty ones. Nothing else?
No.
Oh, right. Where's your mate? Here he comes, look. Hello. Oh, hello. There may be cattle in this field. They're not bulls or cows with calves. They'll probably approach you because they're the most interesting thing you've seen all day, in the hope that you're going to feed them. Stop and speak to them and be friendly. When you walk on, they'll probably follow you. If you walk faster, they'll walk faster. If you run, they'll run. They're not chasing you, they're just following you. Oh, and please close the gate. Oh, that lovely sign in the field's empty.
Pass through a gate, proceed along the track towards a farm, pass through 2 farm gates and then bear left down the driveway.
So I think that's one metal gate behind you, isn't it?
1, 2, 3,
And
4 of them.
there's another one down there.
5, 6, 7. Those gates.
Hey, there's an arrow on the wall. Where do we go now?
Maybe not, because there's no entry.
No entry.
It's down here.
Yes, bear left down the driveway. What are you doing?
What's that for then? Is that a hopper to feed the rabbits with?
Oh, there's baby chicks in this wall. Oh, look at him, clinging onto the wall. Oh, how wonderful. There he goes. Surrounded by the sounds of nature. All the birds, the wood pigeons, the little house sparrows back there. It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it?
We haven't seen another person since we started this walk.
No, I know. And we haven't heard any traffic.
We've been walking for about 40 minutes.
Yeah, I love it. You seen these horses, look?
Fancy dress, isn't it?
What do you mean?
They're dressed up as ghosts. I've sheet myself.
Your jokes are frightening. Oh. Oh, that just doesn't look right. It looks scary, doesn't it?
Fancy
Oh, hello, sweetie. They just don't know what they've done to you, do you? Oh, what do you think of that?
Hilarious. Hello, welcome to Cornish walking trails. My name's Sarah and I'm feeling a little horse today.
You're so proud of yourself, aren't you?
Come on, Sarah, man, going all day.
I think I can see the creek down there. Obviously we're here at low tide, aren't we? So it's a mud bank at the moment. Look at that old boat. Don't think that's going anywhere soon, do you? Ah, a bit of twig just blown off a tree. Covered in it, isn't it? Covered in lichen. I think this is for you, don't you?
No twigs were harmed in the making of this video. Apart from that one.
Turn left and turn right. Signed as a public footpath. Follow the tarmac lane uphill for approximately 60 yards to reach a narrow gap between posts on the left. Walk up the following field on a half-right bearing towards a large house. Just remember, we're the most interesting thing they've seen all day. Look, they've stopped following us now.
Well, tell them to subscribe then.
Cross a stile to the left of the property and walk on to reach a tarmac lane. Can they not figure out how to get through? Yay! Turn right and follow the road past the entrance to the Budock Vean Hotel. Open to non-residents at afternoon tea from 3 till 5. We're a bit early. £7.85 for one. Oh, look at that. So if you've noticed the sound of some aircraft in this video, there's a helicopter above me now. It's because we're quite close to our local naval station, so they've got Merlin helicopters there. And Hawks, the jets fly over every now and again. Continue on the road until reaching a bend. Road on the right is marked to Helford Passage. At the entrance to Tree Bar Gardens, keep ahead. This old path is hewn out of the old bedrock that we're actually walking on cliff. Oh, another helicopter up above. Oh,
Glendurgan.
yeah, right above Glendurgan Gardens.
We've been there.
Yeah, lovely place. Really enjoyed that day. It's so dark in here, but it's so peaceful and shaded for our little doggies. So on a summer's day, ideal. And then they can go and have a little paddle in Durgan Beach. This rose smells divine. Come here, my lovely.
Oh dear, you are funny. Yes, you are.
What's he got? Is that what I think it is?
Yeah.
Oh,
2 ice creams for me.
Caustic Farm, fantastic. Oh,
I'm being worshipped by doggies. This Caustic Farm sea salt caramel is delicious.
sound like an advert.
If anybody from Caustic Farm ice cream would like to send me some samples, I will review the rest of the flavours for them as well.
And so will these two willing helpers. Well, I think the waggy tail says it all, don't you? So leave Durgan via the road and follow it uphill back to the car. Our walk today comes from Classic Walks Cornwall 2. It's walk number 19, Durgan and Porthnavas Creek. There's a quick look at the map. We start here, the National Trust car park, go back up to the road, down a gorgeous little lane, crossing fields to Porthnavas Creek, follow the road and a track back to Durgan Beach and village. Absolutely beautiful. Our walk today, Durgan and Porthnavas Creek on the Helford River. Well, the instructions were, the map was accurate, we didn't get lost, there's extra information in there that the authors researched about Durgan Village.
That's been a brilliant walk. Really
Yeah.
enjoyed it. Fantastic today.
Graded easy.
Yeah, I'd go with that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I can't fault this walk.
No,
I've
I
really
can't either.
enjoyed it. Score?
10 out of 10.
I agree, a 10 out of 10.